Hey y'all, we got the spicy chicken sandwiches, some of the best chicken sandwiches. If you know, you know. If you don't, I don't know. Alright. Look at that boy. I love that pepper jack cheese on there. It's so like creamy and good. Got some hot Cheetos and a body armor. These always hit, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I'm looking to see how much protein they got. They should have more protein in there. I don't know, 17 grams looks like. Ooh. I've been drinking those Fairlife milks every morning. So good. These little motherfuckers always gonna hit. They hot. I ain't never been to them and they be cold. I ain't never been to no gristle. Very important because you don't like the gristle. Ooh. Shut that up, sir. You open it. You opened it, sir. Okay. You didn't? Did I just open it? I got to it. Because I know I didn't buy it open. That shit would have spilled all on me standing there. Ooh. I just had me some hot Cheetos and noodles. So good. I haven't had it in a minute. Alright, y'all. I'm about to get up off of here. Love y'all. Peace out.